Hi guys, welcome to this new channel called Living Life with KD. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make rainbow cupcake Play-Doh. And here's what I made yesterday, and this is what it looks like. It's all sprinkly, and we're just going to go ahead and get started with the video. So for the ingredients you will need will be a cup of flour, and you will need 7, I'm just going to call it mLs, of water, and you will need 3 of salt, and if you want to make it like creative or like stuff like that, what I use is glitter, and you can use any kind of glitter. This glitter I got from Walmart. You can use any kind of glitter, and we'll just go ahead and get on started with the video, I guess. So. And here's the finished product. It's all nice and squishy. And that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys want me to do next.
Don't feel me, bub.